here. Today I'm going to tell you how can you upgrade your CPU speed, or I can say how can you speed up your CPU to its full production that it can go. So what you have to do is go into computer and select option, then you have to click on manage, and now you have to go into device manager. Then you will find your preferred PC name. Then you have to click on here and add legacy hardware. Now you click on next, and you're now going to still install the hardware that menu is select. Don't worry if it is advanced. And then click on next. Then you find system devices. Then click on next. Then we have to find Microsoft, as we are using Microsoft PC. Then we have to click on ECP node, and then we have to click on next. So it will install this is just a confirmation. Now it will install after clicking on next. So it is installing the driver, and it will not take a 2-3 seconds. Now click on finish. And now you see on the system this is ECP node. So it will allow the CPU to use its pure and full hardware. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you like this video, so please share this on your Facebook, its WhatsApp, and everywhere that you can have. So till next time, take care of yourself.